Hello, everybody. This is Chama Forex, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. So, this time I'm going to finish what I started on the previous video. And if you didn't watch my previous video, please watch and subscribe so that we can be on the same understanding. So, last week I teach on how to place key levels on the market for support and resistance. I hope you understand now how to place your key levels. I told you last week that market move in zones. Market move in zones. We move from one zone to another, one zone to another. So this is a zone. If I can put this so that you can understand very well zones. I can put this levels here, this can put this one here, I can put this one here, can put this one here, can put this one here, I can put this one here, also this one here, also here, and here. Now this is a full picture. On the previous video, I taught you how market moves from one zone to another. Now I will talk little about that, then we can continue on what we were supposed to learn for today. For today, our main point where I want us to look, it's entry. How do we enter market from these zones? Because you cannot just place your trade here and put your stop loss here and expect market will go just in a straight line and you will make money at the same time and you're on a monthly time frame. Things don't work like that. We only use our monthly time frame to make these levels, zones. So if I move if I move market from here to here, I move market from this zone to this zone, from this zone to this zone, from this zone to this zone, from this zone to this zone here. So if you understand when last time, when the market move in a bullish and also market move in a bearish, so we call this one uptrend. We call it uptrend. Why do we call it uptrend? Because the market moves towards up, move towards up. It forms higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then maybe higher high in future. So market move towards up. That's we call it uptrend. Market move up. We call it uptrend. And also market on another side, it's moving downtrend. Why? The market is moving down. Lower, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So the market moving like a zigzag, but it's moving toward down. I hope you understand me up to there. The market is moving down. Now we call it downtrend. We call it down. We call it down trend. Down trend. So downtrend, it's where market move down, higher low, higher high, Why do we call this higher high? Because it broke the previous high. This was the high, but now market break this line, previous high, to form another high. So this one we call it higher high. Then the market reverse it to where? To this line, to the previous high. That's why I taught you how the market moves from higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, high high, and where you can take trades. So I taught you last time, any line broken or any high broken, it must be retested. That's a low, and 90% market respect this low. Whenever this high is broken, or whenever line, even maybe horizontal trend line, whenever it's broken, always it's retested. Market retest there to grab more liquidity so that you can move high. So market move high and break this high. Now this now become higher than this one. That's why it's called higher high. This one higher low. So the market break this line to form a new high. And after the market break this line, it's retested. Do you understand me up to there? It retested. After retesting, this the market move high. So in this level, I want us to use as an example, I want us to use like only this level. Real market move higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, something like this one. Zigzag. Now market move something like this up to that point. Up to that point. Now, how do I look for entry here? How do I look for entry? Now, market move like a zigzag up to down. What do I look? Higher high, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Market form a small, it didn't pass to make it lower low. So it forms something like M. If you can see, this is a kind of a pattern. You can see this is a pattern. M formation. This is a pattern. So I don't take my trade immediately here. No, I don't take my trade immediately here. No, I am waiting for something we called reversal pattern. There is something that we called reversal pattern. So if I want to take this market from here, from this zone to this zone, I will wait for that reversal pattern to form, then to complete. Then I can take my trade. I can enter now my trade from this zone to this zone. The same to this zone to this zone. The same to this zone to this zone. The same to any other zone. Hope you understand me up to here. And how do I mark up on a lower time frame? How do I mark on a lower time frame? Higher low, higher high, or lower low, lower high. Now I will take something here, a straight line. Yeah, a straight line. I'm not sure if this one is a straight line. Let me confirm. Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. I want something, something small. Yeah, that's fine. Something small like that. So how do I look at and how do I know this is now it's a reversal? The market is now want to reverse. I am looking, this is higher, this is lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high. lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Market didn't break to form a new lower high. Do you understand me up to there? So now the market has reached into my level. Market now is in my level. And this pattern it's for. I cannot enter immediately. I will take this line up to here, to this level. The last lower high on my downtrend, that's where I will put my line, straight line. That's where I will put my line. The last lower high, that's where I will put my line. Double bottom, straight line on the neckline over double bottom. And I will not just take trade immediately. I will wait the market to break that neckline and retest. Now I can now take I will now take my trade here. This is now where I will take my buys market. Now I will take this trade from this zone to this zone. My take profit will be at this zone. But if market break this zone with a full body, I can and wait for some retest. I can again take this trade from here to here. So now I have given you a clue on how I enter my trade. This is now my entry formula. How do I enter my trades? And now on a real, on a live market, this is now live market. And from here now, I'm going to teach you how I locate or I draw my key levels. I already teach you in a previous how I draw my key levels. But for now, I just want to draw key levels together. This is how I put my straight line. It's a straight line. It's a kind of a level. So I just make something form of a level. Yeah, I like that one. Form of a level. So my first level is going to be here. Why? Market respected here, 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 and here. So this is a level. This is a level. Now I clone. I draw my second level here. Market respected here. 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a level. Another level here. Here. Market respect 1, 2, 3, almost 4, 5. Okay, I'm not concerned about that. The top is too far from the market. But if I have to do, I will do it here. And also one for the downside here. And one for the downside here. Very simple, guys. Very simple. Now, this is a clear chart. Very clean chart. Clear and clean. You can now see everything. Very clear, very clean. This is GBP USD. Very clear, very clean. You can see the important level here. You can buy and sell. You can buy and sell and sell. You sell here. You buy here. You sell here. You buy here. You buy here. You sell here. Market break this line. You buy here. Market break this line. Breakout. Retest. Now you buy here at this point. So let us analyze at this level how did I take trade on here at this level, green point? How do I take? Now I have located, I know market have now come to this place. How do I enter my trade on this green level? The first thing I will do, I will come to weekly and see if there's another thing. First of all, I have discovered I have a minor level. So this one is a major level. This one is a major level. This one is a major level. This small one, it's a minor level. So I can just use this one. It's a minor level. So I usually also respect minor level because this level can turn this market. Now I'm on weekly. What do I see on weekly? The market now it's here. I want to buy this market. I'm going again on my daily. What do I see on my daily? Now, when I go smaller, on a smaller time frame, I begin to see more clearer. I begin to see more clearer, more clearer. Now, daily, it's where I do most of my planning, all my preparation. I do it on a daily time frame. Then when I just enter on 4-hour time frame, it's for entry. Only entry on 4-hour time frame. But on my daily, this is the place now where I do everything, all the analysis. Now, how do I enter? Now, I'm teaching you guys how to enter a trade. Now, how do I enter a trade? You have just opened my trade, and maybe let's say, let me place. The first thing that I do, I draw a trend line. Now, let us assume this one. The market, it's here. It's just broke out. This is lower high, lower low, and lower low, lower high, 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 lower low. Now, what do you see? The market did not break the lower level. This level, you can see there is a level here. This level from here, the market did not break this level. What did the market form? Market form something. I don't know if you can see this. Let me show you what the market form. Market form something like this one. In fact, it's two. From here to here to here to here. What is that? What is this one? What is this one? One down. What is this one? If you can see this pattern, what pattern is this? What pattern is this? This pattern is double bottom. And what is the meaning of a double bottom? Double bottom means it's a reversal pattern. It means that this market is exhausted. This market don't want to go down again. Now this market want to change shift to a bullish. Do you understand me up to there? This market want to change to a bullish. Now, I am now, also, you can see there is another one also here. Up to here, to here, to here, to here. Guess, what is this? What is this? Double bottom. I told you, when you can know that the market wants to reverse, you can only by knowing, you will know by two things. best double reversal pattern, head and shoulder, double top and double bottom. The only best reversal structure that you can use, and you can know when the market want to reverse. So without this feature or head and shoulder, I'm not going to enter any market. Yeah, the market is now has reached my key level. The market reached my key level. Very well, it has reached my key level. But now I cannot enter a trade before. First thing I will show you. First thing that I will look for my entry. I only look for three things. I only look for three things. Let me write for you here so that you can understand well. Something first thing, trend line break. Number one, before even thinking of entering any trade, where do I see my first thing? Trend line break. Now, first confluence, if you can see, this trend is broken. Now, my first is accomplished. The second thing, pattern. Actually, reversal pattern. Number one, market has broke my trend line. Number two, what do I look? Reversal pattern. Okay, let me start. Is my trend line broken? Yes. Good. Do this market have a reversal pattern? Yes. Which packet? Which pattern? Double bottom. This double bottom. Tick. Now I'm now about to enter a trade. Two of my accomplish is already complete. Now I am waiting for one. The last one. In this double bottom, I draw a straight line. I draw a straight line up to here. At the neckline, guys, do you understand me up to here? I draw a straight line at the neckline of a reversal pattern. And also the last lower high. Now, this is the last lower high. Let me repeat them for the last time. I want you guys to understand point by point. I draw a straight line at the last lower high. I draw a straight line at the neckline. Now I put my neck here. This one is the last lower high. And also this one is the neckline. The booty, where the booty starts. This one is the neckline of this small double bottom. Now you understand. Now you understand up to there. Now, how do I take the last and now where I place my trigger? How do I go about it? Now, I will wait the market to break the last lower high, to break the last lower high, to break the neckline of a double bottom, to break and to retest. Then now I can take my trade upside. Do you understand me up to then? You understand me up to then? Now, my number 3 confluence to enter, it's break and retest of neckline. I have my 3 points. I cannot wait for 2 to enter my trade. No, until these 3 points it's completed. Now I can enter my trade. Now we can now start. It's my line broken? Yes, it's broken. It's neckline broken? Yes, it's broken. Now it's break and retest. My neckline is broken. It's broken and retested. Yes, it's broken and it's retested. Now how do I enter? I now move to 4 hour. Now I am done with daily. I'm done with monthly. I'm done with weekly. I'm done with daily. I'm now going to 4 hours to place my trades. I now went to 4 hours, 4-hour candle to place my trade. Now I'm in 4 hours. Now let me see what's now going to happen in 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is now 4 hours. This is now 4 hours. I have done everything on a daily. I have completed everything on a daily. Now in 4 hours, I only look one thing, and I enter my trade. What do I look for? What do I look for? What do I look for? This one. This one. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. What do I look for? Break of counter trend line. Break of counter trend line. Now, do you know what is trend line and what is counter trend line? Trend line is this main line that's aligned with the trend of the market. Now, counter trend line is now this small line that goes against the market or go against the trend of the market. That is counter trend line. How do I place my counter trend line? I just pick a small line from this body to this body. Anytime market break, I enter. How do I enter? Here, I enter full complete candle After that one, that's where I took my trade. My stop loss, I entered the last low. Let me use this, the last low here. I don't use here. This one, it's too small. I want to give market some space. So I place my stop loss. I think this low. Then I'll go back to daily. I'm not done with here. What I'm done with here up to here. Now this is where I will take my first take profit. I will take my first take profit at this level. Then I leave the rest. I forget about the rest. I go back to daily. Now, on the daily, it breaks down with this break of counter trend line. Now, on a daily, this is where now I can put my trades up to the next zone. If the market break this zone and retest it, then I can move forward. If the market don't break this zone, I will wait and see and know what to do. Now, I taught you also how the market move. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, low, high, low, high. I think I taught you guys how the market move, something like this. It cannot just move from in a straight line from this point to this point. No, market don't move that way. It move. You can already see how the market move. Now I will take these opportunities to add more trades. This is my first trade, and I will not move just one trade to my TP. No, I will keep adding, 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 adding until I reach my TP. How do I add? I can also here take this my line. This was the highest point, lower high, higher high, the highest point. I draw a straight line. This market break this high. Is that right? Yes. Let's go back to 4 hour. Let me first control move this one. Market break this high. That's right. Yes. Let's go back to 4 hour. What does the 4 hours telling me? 4 hour telling me that this high it's broken. Do you remember there when I told you any market broken, any high broken, or any line broken must be retested. Any line broken must be retested. My weapon. 4 hours I only use one weapon. What's that? What's that weapon? Counter trend line. I place my counter trend line here. Sorry for that. Counter trend line. My weapon. Best weapon. Why do you see market has broken again? Now, how do I do another trade? Another trade. I enter here. My stop loss here. My TP. So go back to daily. Wait. For another antelope to catch. I'm now back to daily, waiting for another thing to catch. Now, my last higher high, where was my last higher high? I can see it very clearly. It was somewhere here. This was my last higher high. How? My higher high. How do I confirm this? Go back to 4L. Wow, this thing, guys, very sweet. very, 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 very sweet. The market break this point. Test. In 4 hours, I don't do much thing. I only come with my slash, my counter trend line. This thing work like magic. I just put my slash here and I enter again. I put my trades here. Stop loss beneath. Where's my daily? Wow. Wow. Now GBP USD. Where are you now? My last high here. Market break. But it didn't form a good high. This one. Immediately it came below my trend line, my straight line. So that I cannot take them. Also, I repeat the second time. Even if of thinking of anything, back inside the box. Now, what am I waiting? I'm just stuck. I'm waiting for one thing. I shifted this, put my line here. Then I'm waiting for him. This antelope, I'm waiting for him upside here. How will I enter? I will wait to break, retest. Then I take from here. And now I take my trade from here. I stop loss here. ITP at the top. Do you see, guys, how simple it is? How will I know maybe this market want to reverse from this point? Because you can not just in this market you have to look at the both side. How will you will I sense that now this market is like reversing? It's like reversing. How will I now change this thing and know have the both bias, uh, bullish and bearish? Very simple. I'll put my trend line here. The top. So it has touch here, it has touch here, it has touch here. If now the market break this this line, this is now like a bottom. This now is like a leg line. You can see this like one top down, going for another top here. If this market needed to break, if it cannot break here and move like this and break here, maybe up to here and retest here, guys, I'm done. I'm going for a sell. Where? Here. As simple as that. If the market cannot break this high to form higher high and it come and break this low and retest this neckline, I will go for a sell. I will go for a sell. If the market break immediately at this point, all my points, first of all my trades will be like somewhere around here. When it break this level, then I think by that time all my trades will be out. Then from there, I start another journey of moving to the bottom. Guys, up to now, whatever I have taught you guys, by now, you know everything. Now I can confidently come to higher time frame and see how things are going here. How things are going here. I don't like too many complicated things. I've already shown you everything, guys. You don't need to go there and just see everything. All things are done. All things are done. All things are done. All things are done. All this trend are done. Yeah. Why do I look now? I'm waiting for one thing. Have I have told you guys? These two lines, the determiner. These two lines, the determiner. To determine if I can continue go up or go down. If I break this level, retest, then I'm going to another level. But my main target is to move this market from here, from one level to another. But guys, you have to understand this is forex market. I don't run this market. I can only do what the market gives me. If market give me 50 pips or 500 pips or 1000 pips, that's what I will use and wait for another opportunity.